My grandfather looked at me from his hospital bed, his breath shallow, and whispered, "Go to the old oak tree behind the house. There is a briefcase buried under the roots that will change your life." He closed his eyes, thinking he was passing down a lifetime of hidden wealth to his favorite grandson. But his jaw completely dropped when he opened his eyes 10 minutes later and saw me standing by his bed, holding that exact briefcase already unlocked. My grandfather Albert was a ruthless billionaire who controlled our entire family with his money. He loved playing psychological games, making my uncles and aunts beg for their inheritance. For the last 2 months, as he lay dying in the VIP wing of the hospital, everyone was busy catering to his every whim, hoping to be named in his will. I was the only one who didn't care about his empire. I just sat by his side, read him the daily news, and made sure he was comfortable. Tonight the doctors told us he wouldn't survive the night. He called me close, dismissed the rest of the greedy family from the room, and gave me the location of his deepest secret. He thought I would sprint out of the hospital, drive an hour to the countryside, and dig in the dirt like a desperate dog. Instead, I didn't even move from my chair. I simply reached under the hospital bed, pulled out a mud-stained heavy leather briefcase, and slammed it onto his bedside table. Albert gasped, his heart monitor spiking as he stared between me and the briefcase. He tried to sit up, his voice trembling as he wheezed asterisk, How do you have that? The lock has a biometric fingerprint scanner tuned only to my pulse." I pulled a small high-tech silicone patch out of my pocket and tossed it onto his blanket. I looked him dead in the eye, smiled calmly, and whispered, "Grandpa, you aren't the only mastermind in this family. 2 weeks ago, while you were asleep under heavy sedation, I used a liquid polymer to copy your exact fingerprint ridges. I didn't need to drive to the countryside tonight because I dug this up 5 days ago." I popped the latches open, revealing stacks of confidential offshore bank bonds, but more importantly, a thick manila folder containing the real, unedited ledger of his company's illegal tax evasion schemes, the exact papers he used to blackmail my father for 20 years. Albert turned entirely pale, sweating profusely as he realized his ultimate leverage was gone. He choked out, "You're going to destroy the family name? You're going to send us all to prison?" I closed the briefcase, gripped his cold hand one last time, and said, "No, Grandpa. I'm going to save the family from you. I've already transferred the offshore bonds to a trust fund for the employees you cheated for decades. As for this ledger, it's going straight to the federal prosecutors the moment your heart stops beating. Your games are officially over."